Have you ever thought that working can actually get you paid? In this video, I will show you people making money in that very fashion, how you can do the same thing and make even more money thanks to the bonus I will show you at the end of the video. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you would like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out of any future video to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and you will be getting notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so as I said in that intro, as weird and usual as it may seem, working can actually get you paid, and it's through the use of YouTube that you will get paid as well. And let me now show you two people doing this and making a lot of money. The first channel here is called Soul Walker, and as the name suggests, the owner is simply uploading video of himself working. And that's literally it. This is why I said that working can actually get you paid. With that said, take a look at how often the owner of this channel upload this video. In the past week, only 3 videos were uploaded. The week before, it's also 3 videos, and so on. So you don't have to upload these videos that often whatsoever. More importantly, making this type of video is probably one of the easiest way to make money on YouTube nowadays, and for several reasons. First off, if you open up some videos from this channel, you will see that there is no fancy editing involved. If I play this video, you will see that all that consists of it is just someone walking, as weird as it may seem to you. And obviously, making a video like this is very simple and easy. You simply have to record yourself walking for like an hour or so, take that entire video and just upload it into YouTube, as easy as that. Furthermore, you can most definitely record yourself with your phone as well, and you don't need any expensive equipment to begin with. Of course, later on you may have to buy some good camera, but that's not necessary when you are starting off anyhow. If you come back over to the channel here, you will see that everything else is also insanely simple. The logo and cover of the channel isn't that special whatsoever, and the thumbnail are also just a picture of the place where the work is taking place. So you don't have to be some expert in Photoshop to create these thumbnails either. In short, making this video is very easy to do. I mean, recording yourself working doesn't require that much effort from your side, now does it? Now here is arguably the most incredible part about this. Despite the fact that everything is so simple about these videos, from the editing to the thumbnail, the most popular videos on this channel has gotten 1.4 million views, and there are other videos that are quite recent with a lot of views as well. This one has 1.1 million, this one has 9k videos, this one has 7k views, and so on. Based on these views, you can see that people love these videos. This is of course very important information, because if people love to watching something on YouTube, then it means it will get big numbers of views, and these videos do get big numbers. That of course means that you can make a lot of money. And by the way, you can also see that the number of subscribers is 200k. Not anything too special, of course. There are for sure channels with more subs, but these are nevertheless still very good number. And with all of that said, let me now show you the actual numbers as far as money is concerned. So, how much does the owner of this channel make, and how many views does it gain on average daily? The best place to find all of that out is socialblade.com. And as you can see, according to Social Blade, the owner of this channel makes between $400 and $6k a month. As the number are in between most of the time, this means we're probably taking around about 3k a month. Not a mind-blowing amount of money, but it's actually a big huge amount when you consider how little work you have to invest to make those type of videos. As far as the views are concerned, the total number of views that this channel has gotten is 21 million, which is a lot. Of course, if we take that number and estimate the CPM of cost per 1,000 view at $2, That means that the owner of this channel has made like $14K in total. Not anything to laugh at. As far as how many views on average this channel gets per day, down here you can see that the average amount of views iOS on a daily basis is 15K, and that's most definitely decent. So as I said previously, people love this type of video. And before we move on, I want to mention one last thing, which is that this channel has been around for only 2 years. It was created in May of 2019, so it took a little over 2 years for it to grow as big as it has, which, as some of you may know, is actually insane. Some big YouTube channels like PewDiePie or MrBeast took years before they got to the point where they are now. So this proves that you can indeed grow your channel relatively quickly, and you won't have to upload for years or on the end before making some decent money. With all of that said, through the previous channel is far from the only one uploading this kind of video. This one here, call it Crypto Tracker, is doing the exact same thing, and it's also making decent amount of money. But despite that, this channel still serves as a fantastic example of someone making money in this fashion. Check this out. The most popular video from this channel has gotten 700K views, despite the fact that it has nearly 25K subscribers, and there are several other videos with also thousands of views too. If you open up some of them, you will see that it's literally the same thing. Someone recorded themselves walking, and once again you will find no special editing whatsoever, so you don't need any skills literally to create this type of video, and you can still make a lot of money creating them. And once again, the recurring theme through this video is that everything is simple. The thumbnail are pictures of the place where the walk is taking place, and the logo is even more simple in comparison to the previous channel, and so is the cover. So basically everything is very similar with these two channels, and they are far from the only ones out there. With all of that said, I do have a way for you to make money with these videos, but before we get to that, the obvious first step is that you want to create a brand new YouTube channel. If you don't already have one, you then want to create a simple logo and cover, which for the time being doesn't have to be anything special. If you do want it to be the best possible, then you can go on Fiverr.com and pay someone to create for you. But I don't think that is necessary. With that done, that you have your channel, the creation of the actual video is pretty straightforward. You will just take your camera or phone and record yourself walking for like an hour or so. You will then need to upload the video into YouTube, and to do that, just click on this logo and select upload video below. Now, since you will not be making any money in the beginning due to not being monetized, and so you can make more money even after being monetized, I would highly recommend and to try and make money through the use of affiliate marketing. And you can promote, for example, a camera that you bought from, let's say, Amazon, and just leave your Amazon affiliate link in the description box below. In this fashion, as I said previously, you will be able to make money of the ad revenue when you do get monetized, but you will also be able to make some money prior to that happening as well. The last thing I want to mention is that you want to make sure that the video are at least 13 minutes long. This allows you to put more ads in the set and thus make a lot of more money. But you also won't have to upload that often as a result, so it's a win-win for you. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you like it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out of any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and you will be notified when a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon.